Hello everyone and welcome to the Weekend Bundle Show, where I tell you what's available this weekend on the Tonic Studio store in Kraft, Perfect and Nuvo. So we got 6 special bundles for you and I'm going to tell you what they are. First up, we've got a special embossing powder bundle at 60% off. You get 4 pots all together in beautiful colours, perfect for stamping and creating those embossing details. Next up, we have an embellishment mousse bundle. There's 6 pots in total at 60% off, great for creating texture and really amazing wow effects on your projects. Next up, we have a glitter and crystal drop bundle at 60% off. With those glitter drops, you can add some sparkle with your embellishments, and the Nuvo drops, you get that great colour for those little embellishments on your projects. We've got 3 Craft Perfect bundles for you this weekend. The first being a 12x12 classic card bundle. You get all that paper bundle you can see on the screen next to me at 60% off. Our next bundle is a specialty paper bundle with 8 packs at 60% off. Brilliant textures and designs on the specialty paper, well worth adding some really amazing effects to your projects. And our final Craft Perfect bundle is a specialty card bundle, and it's 7 packs for you at 60% off. The specialty card, wonderful designs, wonderful colours, and add some wonderful effects to your projects. And there we have it. Those are your bundles for the weekend. They're available from Friday at midnight all the way until Monday at 4 PM. So grab yourself a bargain on the Tonic Studio store.